In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Adobe Acrobat subscription effortlessly. Whether you've decided it's time to part ways or simply need a temporary break, understanding how to cancel your subscription is essential. Let's walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you won't face any unexpected hurdles along the way. First, you'll want to sign into your Adobe account. You can do this through the official Adobe website. Make sure you use the login credentials associated with your Adobe account. If you've forgotten your password, there are helpful prompts on the site that can assist with resetting it, ensuring you gain access promptly. Once you're in, navigate to either the Plans or Manage Plans section. This is your central hub for all things related to your subscriptions. Here, you'll find every active plan associated with your account, including the one for Adobe Acrobat. The next step is to locate the specific Acrobat plan that you wish to cancel. Once you've found it, look for the option that says Cancel or End Your Plan. This will initiate the cancellation process. It's designed to be straightforward, so don't worry, Adobe has streamlined this part to make it as simple as possible for users. After selecting the cancel option, follow the on-screen prompts. During this process, Adobe might ask you to confirm the reason for your cancellation. This might seem like an extra step, but it helps Adobe improve their services by understanding why customers choose to leave. Simply select the reason that best applies to your situation and proceed. Once you confirm the cancellation, it's important to look out for a confirmation email. Adobe typically sends this email shortly after you complete the process. This email serves as verification that your plan has been successfully canceled. However, it's also a good idea to check back in your account. Navigate back to the plan section and ensure that the plan is now marked as canceled or inactive. This double-checking step provides peace of mind, confirming that everything went through without a hitch. And that's how you cancel an Adobe Acrobat subscription. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth transition, free of any subscription surprises. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Doing so means you won't miss out on future Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials designed to improve your digital experience. Thank you for watching.